There's a silence in the city where the lights drowns the stars, and the children of creation have forgotten who they are. They built towers made of silver, but they crumble inside. Still the spirit whispers softly through the noise of all our pride. Reflections of the lost, reaching out for fleeting moments that fade like morning frost. But the cross stands in the distance, where the sky and mercy meet, and the Lamb still waits in silence at the edges of the street. We tried to build a heaven with our own two hands, but the higher we climbed, the further we fell. And still he waits, with pierced hands open.